Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Chrome for Android does not support extensions. This limitation comes from the mobile Chrome codebase and security model. You cannot add extensions through Chrome Web Store on mobile Chrome. Instead, you will use compatible alternative browsers on your Android device. Android 5.0 or higher is required by many alternative browsers. Choose Kiwi or Yandex as primary options because they implement desktop extension APIs. Keep your Android updated for best compatibility and security. Install Kiwi browser from Google Play as your extension host. Open Kiwi and enable desktop site from the three dots menu to mimic desktop behavior. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store using Kiwi while desktop site is active. Find the extension you want and click Add to Chrome to begin installation. Confirm any permission prompts to complete the install. After installation, the extension should appear in Kiwi's toolbar or extension page. Open Chrome//extensions in Kiwi to view installed extensions and settings. Use the toggle to disable an extension temporarily for testing and troubleshooting. Remove extensions by tapping Remove when you want them gone entirely. If an extension breaks, clear cache and update the browser to the latest version. Some extensions may not behave like desktop versions due to limited mobile APIs. Consider alternatives or mobile-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.